talaga na nakikita na yung trailer, lumabas na, yeah, yun nga, tapos the amount of hard work we put in as a cast together, parang naging family na kami. Muntik na ako umiyak kanina, you know, so it just feels really good.
Dahil first hand na experience mo na, ano yung pinaka-fun at ano yung pinaka-mahirap sa pagiging artist?
Lahat po. Like, there's a lot of things. It's not an easy thing to do talaga. This job is not taken lightly, really. The work you have to put in during the taping days and even before the taping days, you know, it's all preparation talaga. How you do that is all different for each and every person.
Andres, enjoy ka ba sa ginagawa mo na po?
Enjoy talaga. Like, parang nga, every time we have taping, it's like, parang naging bonding na with the cast. We're always laughing, yung mga jokes, you know, good experiences always.
As compared before from your, I mean, more private life, di ba? Hindi mo nilimimis yung gano'n ka. Paano mo nagabalanse pala?
Di naman po kasi, for me, I enjoy working talaga, you know. Now that I'm getting busier every day, I'm doing more work, I'm really more grateful about that. Instead of course, I miss having a private life. Like, there are some things that I have to sacrifice, but mas gusto talaga magtrabaho ko.
Anong mga advice ng mga parents mo? Pagdating sa pag-arte, anong advice nila actually?
Wala naman. Usually just be yourself, you know, and sinasabi nila sa akin na, you know, the effort that you put into this will show if you really give it your all. Kaya I always try to give it my best, especially for this project. This is really a blessing.
Andres, nakita ko kasi dito sa Mutya. Kumbaga, kaya parang heartthrob, yung mga gano'n, di ba? Not to compare, pero parang makakompare na rin. Your father started din sa ganitong mga genre na parang rom-com or mga baget-baget, diba? Have you watched those films? Okay. Then, at meron bang advice din yung daddy mo? Dahil hindi siya nagsimula eh.
Sa advice tungkol sa mga rom-coms?
Ganito, you have to make pakilig and everything.
Well, not really. It doesn't really give me advice in terms of the pakilig. Ang sinasabi niya lang sa akin na pag nandyan ka na, feel mo na talaga yung moment. That's when you know na if it feels good or not.
Happy ka sa mga ganyan, mga kilig-kilig na.
Yeah, I'm saya.
Naniwala ka sa mga love teams?
Sorry?
Do you believe in love teams?
Do I believe? Yeah, sure. Yes, I believe in love teams. There's a lot of great love teams that click very well in this country, you know, and they work very well together. The chemistry is already there. So.
Are you single now?
Yes, I'm single.
May possibility ba na ma-develop ka sa mga kasamahan mo, isa sa mga kasamahan mo?
Well, we really won't know, but that's for the future to tell us. Just experience it lang. It's all a learning experience. And kahit sino yung kasama ko sa kahit anong project, it's really a grateful opportunity. I get to know the person and learn a few things about them and their talents.
Saan kayo mag-celebrate ng Christmas?
Sorry?
Saan kayo mag-celebrate ng Christmas? Plans?
Dito lang po, we're gonna celebrate sa Subic. Sila ngayon.
Just when you found out na si Ate naman sa love team mo, ano naging reaction mo? I'm sure, hindi ka pa ganun ka-familiar sa kanya or familiar na ba?
Honestly, I was very excited the moment na I found out I was gonna get to work with Ashley. I did my research and then upon meeting her, really, I was very, very, very impressed with her. Kasi ang galing niya, she's super talented, you know, she has the grit, the drive as well, and she wants it, ang galing niya talaga. And ang sipag niya rin.
Nag-workshop ka?
Sila halos parang merong, ang tawag nito, parang naiilang sa'yo, parang gano'n,
Oo, kasi sikat
eh. Parang kahit natin lahat naman kayo, halos baguhan, or mas meron yung datihan pa kita sa'yo. Pero may ilang factor sila kapag knowing na Andres Mula. Anong reaction mo?
Kasi para sa akin po, I never really thought of it na baka they'll feel this way na ganit. Kasi dahil Andres Mula ako, may ganon. Really, it's just more of excitement talaga. I get to know the person and kasi people might think a certain way of me na parang si Andres, you know, parang ganito. But I love always getting to meet the person, tas sinasabi na like, you're so different pala from what I thought you'd be. Like for me, I get so touched with that. Yeah, kasi I like it.
Andres, nung una ka namin nakausap, medyo hindi ka pa ganun kagaling magtagalog.
Oo.
Kumusta yung improvement from day one?
Workshop ka ba?
Nag-meet tayo nung pinakilala ka ng Viva.
Well, feeling ko nga yung Tagalog ko nag-improve dahil sa experiences ko lang. With the cast, lahat kami nagkatagalog. Even at home, si tatay, sila nagkatagalog sa akin.
Tagalog na.
Oo, Tagalog talaga. Para masanay din ako, diba? But yun nga, it's just learning talaga. Inaaral ko talaga araw-araw para hindi mo matuto.
Pero medyo nag-improve ka na para nung
wala talaga, diba?
Andre,
Thank you.
this is my experience na.
Namimiss ka ng mga events yun ng family mo, like the MVP Christmas group party, wala ka doon because I think you're busy with the taping of Amutya ng Section E.
Yes, so naging busy ako sa taping ng Amutya ng Section E, so I missed out on some events with the family, but it's definitely worth it kasi we got a lot closer as a cast together. Parang we all just vibe with each other and we could connect easily with each other. Tapos ang saya ng taping namin, it's really a good experience every time. And we always come to set excited talaga and ready to perform.
Yeah, at parang mas makukulit kayo ngayon, mas matindi na yung banding pagsasama nyo, di ba? Nagkukwento ka, like kay Atasha, your mom, Charlene, your father, Aga, regarding your taping, o knowing Aga and Charlene, I'm sure sila yung nagtatanong pa against them.
Yes, so I like to always make them kwento about how the day went really and how the sequences went and maybe the things that I learned that day as well. I really enjoy telling them about those things because they also can relate, right? And they can share their experiences and how they apply it as well. So yes.
Siyempre, meron ka ng the first family eh. So, we're sure hindi ka masyadong nanibago, no? With the taping, di ba? Pero how was it? Can you make kwento? How's your co-stars? Yan.
So the first family, kasi it's sitcom style and usually we do like 1 or 2 takes and it's just, the cameras are already set up. Pero dito kasi, sa Amutya, naninibago ako kasi may reverse angle, wide angle, tight shot.
It's like movie.
Yes, it's like a movie talaga. So it's all new to me. And of course, we're with a great director that is directed, that is guiding us throughout this whole experience. So it's all really a learning experience every time I come to the set.
Yeah, so mas mahirap, no? Unlike your sitcom na sobrang dali, di ba? O, pwede mag-retake, but walang masyadong maraming angle na kailangan kasi iba't ibang camera, no? So, direct, it's a film time, no? Bongga. And, okay naman, naka-adapt naman makalit si Andres.
Yes, Sir June. Actually, I'm very surprised. At first, I was syempre being careful, showbiz royalty, right? Baka hindi ko pwedeng pagalitan, baka hindi ko pwedeng sigawan. But the thing about Andres is that siya mismo, kumukusa siya to really learn kung ano yung craft. And even yung bonding activity na notice mo nakakulitan, si Andres yung pasimuno nun, may GC sila ng mga lahat ng Section E boys, nag-invite siyang mag-basketball sila together. Kaya ngayon, parang all for one for all na talaga sila. So, yun yung appreciate ko Andres na kahit na isa siyang mulak, okay lang na sigawan. Okay lang pagalitan. Okay lang na talagang pipigain mo and wala sa kanya. Kasi he wants to learn, he wants to hone his craft.
So you mean nasigawan mo siya?
Hindi naman po. Ano lang, like for example, yung sa mga normal naman sa isang director, pag sobrang impatient na, minsan sisigaw ka, ano ba, gano'n. So, okay, hindi naman yun sa kanya lang. Kumbaga sa lahat yun, like, pag magulo, makulit, yung parang behave. Kasi makulit talaga sila, 16 boys eh. Yeah. So, ang hirap talaga nilang i-control. Pero, yun yung kinakatakot ko kasi baka yung iba, baka magkaroon ako ng special favor kasi Andres mulak siya, yung parang yung iba hindi ko yan. No? Pero, equal yung treatment sa lahat at okay lang sa kanya. bumabanding siya sa iba, tumatambay siya with them, nakikipagkulitan siya with them. So yun talaga yung pinaka-na-appreciate ko kay Andres.
Yeah, oo. Ako, naliligo sa mga naging kaibigan niya sa Madrid. He's really like that. Down to earth, mapagkaibigan, walang pinipili. Pero direct napatunayan niya bang anak siya ni Aga Mulak. Siyempre, Aga is known for talagang one of the best actors sa ating industry, di ba? So, si Andres ba, lumabas na ang pagiging anak ni Aga na magaling umarte?
Mape-pressure siya doon. Ayaw niya nang nako-compare siya, but definitely he has it. Nakita mo naman in a short amount of time, from the day 1 hanggang ngayon day 9 na kami, ang laki ng improvement. From the Tagalog, from the nuances, from the acting, ibang-iba mula nung nag-start kami sa workshops. So ito pa lang yung first niya na narrative, so what more kung mahasad na siya at mas marami pa siyang gagawin. So I'm just excited kung saan papunta yung career niya.
Yan, oo. Andres, it's so exciting, no? Nakaka-proud. Oo, si Direk na yan, oo. Alam mo naman, napakaraming magandang projects yan. Abang hearing, no? Yung mga sinabi niya, yung mga papuri niya. Anong napipil mo ngayon?
Sorry, can you please?
Anong napipil mo ngayon? Anong marinig mo yan?
Sa totoo lang, I feel super touched, you know, and knowing that I get to work with a great director that is directed in my first serie project, my first serious project. You know, it means a lot, and I'm really glad that he's taking good care of us and me as well.
Yan. Anyways, congratulations with Amucha ng Section E. Yeah, thank you.
Yan po ang tinig ni Mr. June Laling, ang babante.